The product catalog is the foundation of everything. Prices, recipe costs, inventory and orders all come from here. And you don't have to type it in. It's imported from your invoices. Take a photo of the delivery note from the Products tab. The app reads every line, product, pack size, unit and price. Before saving anything, it shows you what it understood. If a number or a name isn't right, you fix it right here. Open a product. The category is for filtering and sorting lists. And the allergens, check the ones that apply. When you use this product in a recipe, the recipe will inherit the allergen automatically. You can also do this without opening a single product. Just tell the assistant, by voice or by typing. Done. Notice the amber badges in the table. The supplier field says who you buy each product from, and it groups the shopping list and prepares orders. Instead of filling it in product by product, ask the assistant, assign South Coast Seafood to all my products. Before touching anything, it shows you the full list of what is going to change. It even puts it on screen, ready to print or export, and waits for your confirmation. You confirm, and all 8 products are updated. Categories work the same way. You tell it to assign a logical category to every product. The assistant knows your catalog and sorts them out on its own. And this is the result, your catalog in order. The table has its own tools. The search box filters instantly. The missing price filter catches the products that were left without a price. Find duplicates cleans up the catalog, and when you select rows, the delete button appears.